Omani Boama, you to come closer. Minister of Defense, I know you are a doctor, right? So we allowed you enough time to learn on the job. Please. Okujeto Ablakwa has made us aware that there is no way a jet can have issues. That a private jet should never have issues. And Okujeto has made us aware that even if the jet is not able to start, the engine is not able to start, you can push it like the way you push throttle or push cars, then you crank it and then it will start working. Okujeto Ablakwa has made us understand that. So the English you are now speaking, let me even bring the English you were speaking. So the English you are now speaking, with all due respect. Oh, this one I want to bring. Oh, good. So Manibwama, that is currently unserviceable. Unserviceable, no? And we don't want to tiasie so. That unserviceable due to significant technical challenges, no, we don't want to hear it. We don't want to. We don't care about it. In fact, it's not just that we don't want to hear it. We do not care about it. His Excellency John Mahama must use our national jet as provided to him. That is what we have. We cannot give something that we do not have. What we have is this private jet. So please speak to Okujeto, Honorable Okujeto. He will tell you how to use a faulty private jet. And when you are done, let Honorable Okujeto sit in the jet for the test running of the jet. We know that there's nothing wrong with our presidential jet. You just want to either buy a new jet, inflate the figure as it happened before, or you want to start using Ibrahim Mahama's jet and be paying him as though it is a contract between a private company and government. In the end, all these excuses you are giving, you just want to enrich your greedy people in the NDC, most especially the Mahama family. And because we know this, we will not stop talking about it. We will not stop querying you. And we will be mobilizing. If you don't know, you come and talk about buying jet. Hey, my friend will say, hey, hey, if you don't know, and you open your mouth, Mr. Omaniba Boama, Doc, if you don't know, you open your mouth that you are going to buy a new private jet. You know, go, new. Because once beaten, twice shy.
The reason is so they ne survey ni betujwa. Ye nyanko from mama a quick response say then like the guy was saying say methodology ben na UC. Enti ama kwama we yes ade no ana. Won say enipa person asoti asem. E na omo basa na obetu mfutwe ni gu nipa ni a obi a na waya na dwen so beto na ba ma MPP no see o. Say yes GADM na ebe nti. Ene ye ma menkoto man. Na psychologically nipa no akoye den. Those who cannot decide and think well, no matter what abana yeden, ama JDM. Enti boye washa asie ebedi for second the Japan. Na wi no not just all conscientize people's mind. Enti se one no adwan yeden na hwa bra obetwiwa yeden edi. Na thank God say nyame ayeden. I expose na so no nkasa I expose ne ho by saying say wanye sa bebia. It's just all kind of sad because almost not them a cookie results. No, our pay and the electoral commissions why you're then abu and almost me a tree, mamma, I day, Eddie. Omon cost one on your day, Omonia, Unyanko Pon, your day, or show. And then ba Okoboy Diana, Okoboy Diana, and Crofone can say, Omra Meji of anything. Astrotech name we pacho o. Oko wo bobo ani bibra. So mobi. Inti se mi mobi a. Wo pa afase a pra wa ye den. Wada. Oko bo onka so pese okoye tire ni Astrotech ni nti won tran ni ba bi nwen. Because it seems say any animal crime fully be. I am using a B. Some on me. The MPP ayama and crime folk and as in crime na because it is a capital city. And the MPP develop city very well for them. MPP and Kase Kumase to Abama no into a quack na ba omoko develop Kumase to assign Accra. Because in every planning every country, the city must look like a city, not because say bra, ebia Kumase for the to Abama winsi. So what you say? But MPP trying the possible best of Accra as candidate talk in all the regions, the 16 regions. Near who so be about no say a capital city. But when would ye? Omo no ma dwen say omo pensa try. Enti the more na would develop city the more na bra omo ye de omo hwu asum etua wakatua bone. But thank God say yes mo pe kon kehito. And indeed you people have proved that you want kon kehito. Enti ye de kon kehito de be ye de be ma mo. Enka mo be di awie na ma sa akotete na apon anya sa. Ma be twi di. Anya anya amaso. Mo be da ho mo fu adodo wo manim anya kohyo kobodi. Mo nya 6 pass. Ate me ba je di amoso he krache. Wakoma am wakwata ahya wonkom se wokotena presidential jet ni mana na adoma ye bibi enti wo bewu eni wo benya tenem no wo ye ma wo nkoto ne enkoto tena se de wo president Prince Abreso kokoto plane bra na taba nkwana ne board chi plane yesrew bra awi Mr. Wi Mr. Kronfo yesrew papa se de o se wi generator na wo de wo ye expect in stealing no yesrew hwi no wan kasa wo kwakoto plane na kuja to sana na don trem no nkom nti wo so trem na wuwa Ghana ye moka because wo so nimfa so ma Ghana for why joma ama wo so nimfa so ma ye because adia Ghana ayama wo ne say from assemblyman wa ba be di affair saying MP from MP wa ba be di vice president from vice president bra wa sanya ba be di president wasanya ko asanya ba be create wealth kese na no wabusia ni akase the most richest family nyasa to mahama Ghana enye yi o na de sika kokobo Ukraine nya ne ntokwa ma Ukraine won ko ne ntokwa Ukraine woni Ghana nkatwi oni yenka me se oni yenka nra kasa oni yenka nkran kasa wo be kasa de sika kokobo Ukraine yesrew Ghana fo chichafo mo hwakere wo ti yo moka nesese so mo pompe increment ko tia why omo yi o madi no musika na opese de kokobo Ukraine dia joma ngo nya mi hia no wasefo ni na ada na wo kronfo sa wo bag wo de obetina Ghana konya so asumdwe ye nya bi o man ni muda o man ni nya ma ban ni watiare o because abi chimbia wo wi Ghana sika o man ne bo ama wo nya ho hwe sa mo fo sa mo ni munyansa ya ma mo metumfutu wo ye ni o na mo ba ka kire yense mo kwa koto plane se plane do mahama wuti esika kura na se wo plane no kura picture na wo hwe awradi mo ko ni fraye plane wo se plane kura etu na wo tene ho from akope ba bi te ko se wo ye wadwe se wo beto plane na wo asase ya won kasa o suru kasa wo do mahama e den ko na wo ji wo wiase enti can't you bring a simple policy e betimi abo man Ghana apart from pad na wo totoko owie mu no ada na wo ye mampo fo sa. To lead is to solve. Now, what they use to lead is to steal. What kind of president are you? You would be you. And Kawodia. So we know your boy, so born some more boy, or better, yes, so Kawashira. You would be you, Jama Hammer. Now, person who go my gun and you must see. One person gun and me, a being the taxpayers' money home for so concerned, the time for no person, they bear enjoy. You let your kakanya make her 2 million and so person be leave for so. One person be good in the for so. No push your phone on the day. A dime bra. A dime. Who condemn na woo? What is he can't back for him? So when you realize your body na bra, what you cry then when you. The voice, Mama Yana side and Mojima. See a judge on Mahama na so over 2 for 20 in the journalist here, 78 million a year, Jume. Bra. No more so say, Nabasre, and they say Abasre. Near Venanco for you don't go to play there. And yet, Crown has no expiring date. Dr. Moba, my other dear friend, my classmate, my this. Yɛmfa nyɛ adwuma bio. Bra, me da ase.